Well, as we head into our Sunday, we have the potential to see our first 90-degree day of the year. Not to mention, it'll be, if we do, the earliest 90-degree day that we've had since 2022. The last few years, we've had to wait until mid-June or early July for that first 90-degree day. The drought certainly not helping with the heat that we're seeing that allows our temperatures to get a little bit hotter. Not to mention, we don't really have much humidity to work with either. And usually the humidity limits how hot we can get. Well, heading into Sunday, it's going to be a hot one. So if you are heading out to the golf course tomorrow, well, our morning temperatures, that 8 a.m. time frame, is actually going to be almost 10 degrees warmer than we were this morning. So keep that in mind. It is going to feel pretty great out there. It's going to be gorgeous, but just know by the afternoon, by 1 o'clock, we're already in the mid 80s, and then that high temperature reaches the low 90s once we get closer to about that 4 o'clock time frame. Winds will be out of the southwest at about 10 miles per hour, very similar to today, where you get a little bit of a breeze every so often, and then sunshine going to be pretty dominant for the majority of the day as well. Now Sunday, because of the hot and the dry weather that we're continuing to see and the occasional wind, the low humidity, fire danger is still going to remain very high to even an extreme into the foothills. So just make sure you're being very, very cautious. I know there's not a burn ban in place right now, but just make sure that you are, again, using extreme caution if you do have to burn, because that fire danger is going to remain fairly high. Here's the setup that we've got heading into the second half of the weekend and even into the start of the week. We've got a ridge of high pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and that is what's helping keep us nice and cool, because it's pretty much just parked over the eastern United States. So all of us are still seeing hot weather and dry weather, and that continues for that first half of the week. But once we get to Wednesday into Thursday, that's when we're going to see a little bit of a pattern change come. Before we get there, though, we're looking at 3 or actually 4 days, technically I should say, in the low 90s. Not near record heat. Those record high temperatures are in the mid 90s. But then we get to Thursday, and we have a cold front that comes in Wednesday into Thursday, and then that cold front is going to stall. We call that a stationary front, and it's going to kind of park itself over us. Now, unfortunately, it is leading into Memorial Day weekend, but thankfully, this does mean that we could see multiple rounds and multiple chances for some decent rainfall. So depending on where this stationary front actually parks itself, that's going to help determine how much rain we get and what those rain chances really look like. And right now, those rain chances do look best on Thursday and on Friday. So here's what that looks like Thursday and Friday. That rainfall totals right now over the next 7 days are between about ½ of an inch and 1 inch. So again, much decent rain chances until we get to Wednesday into the second half of the week. Though we are sunny and in the 90s, and then we cool down into Memorial Day weekend with temperatures in the 70s Friday and Saturday.